Associate your assignment with a grade item so it appears in your gradebook. This tutorial shows how to associate an assignment with a grade item in your gradebook. To begin, from Assignments, create a new assignment or navigate to an existing assignment. Click the context menu of the assignment you want to edit and select Edit Assignment. Then, navigate to Evaluation and Feedback. In the Grade Items section, you can select an existing grade item or create a new one. For this example, click New Grade Item. Enter a name for it. If desired, you can enter a short name, which displays in the gradebook. Then, select a category for the grade item to be housed in your gradebook. Navigate to Grading. Note, the maximum points will automatically populate based on category settings. If no category is selected, the assignment weight will contribute to the final grade. Next, specify whether the category can exceed the assigned max points value, will be considered a bonus item, or excluded from final grade calculations. Note, bonus items are not counted towards the maximum points for a category or final grade. If applicable, you must select the Can Exceed checkbox and the bonus checkbox to allow users' grades to exceed the maximum points specified. Navigate to Grade Scheme. You can also specify additional properties such as a grade scheme or restrictions. When you are ready, click Save. Lastly, click Save and Close. Upon creating the new assignment, the newly created grade item will display in your gradebook. Associate your assignment with a grade item so it appears in your gradebook.